Good morning. It is, what's today? The 27th of May. I'm on my way from Czech Republic, Prague, to Munich again for the third time. And I'm living the dream. I'm living my dream. I've hit 7 different countries. I'm driving in my new car, which I'm so thankful to have. I've had unbelievable experiences. I've met so many great people and things that I will never forget ever. Right now I'm just jamming to myself, enjoying the beautiful drive through the Czech countryside. Gonna go get my service done in Germany and just see where the wind blows me. Jamming right now to Leonard Skinner Freebird, because that's how I feel. There's really nothing I can't do, nowhere I can't go, and just so happy and blessed. All my hard work is paying off and only gives me more excitement and more of a reason to continue to work hard, to apply myself, to treat people good, to build relationships, and just keep living this dream. So happy, thankful that I'm here, and it's only the tip of the iceberg. And if this is a dream, I don't want to wake up. So this is hopefully can inspire some people. If you want it, go get it. Impossible is nothing. You know, everyone says what you can and can't do. Fuck those people. They don't know you. And a lot of people said I couldn't do this or be where I am. 6 weeks in Europe, 7 countries. Living the dream. So thankful, and only gonna get better. Gonna become more humble, work harder, set a better example. So hopefully you people out there, you don't listen to anyone else, you believe in yourself. Got it, so I never forget. Don't listen to other people, don't listen to haters. Listen to yourself, apply yourself, and as long as you never quit, you can't fail. So you want it, go get it. Just cruising, 95, 2.5 RPMs. She just wants to go faster. So thankful. So thankful. Dream bigger.